I'm a prophet, people. Please, I gotta go to Jerusalem.
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone and show you folks what not to do when encountering the police. For this video, we have these suspects who love to give everyone a show in public places. Whether it's hitting police officers with their car or flashing a weapon inside the airport, these brazen criminals really love bringing unwanted attention to themselves. That is until they attract the wrong type of attention from the law. As usual, the footage in this video contains scenes that are disturbing for some audiences, so viewer discretion is advised. Now let's watch. In our first video, police officers conduct a vehicle stop of a 2013 Toyota Highlander for a defective rear brake light at an intersection in Brooklyn. The vehicle was being driven by 25-year-old JERRICK. After a brief conversation, the officer requested that JERRICK exited the vehicle. However, he fled instead of complying. Let's see what happens.
How you doing, boss? How you doing? Can I see your other hand?
We can see the officer approaching the suspect while being stopped at a red light.
License registration?
Why did I get
I'll explain to you as soon as I get your license. As soon as you give it to me, I'll explain it to you.
Here's my registration. This is insurance. This is my mom's car.
This your mom's car?
Yeah, I live right here.
On the corner? Do you have any identification on you?
I got my...
If it's on your phone, it's still fine.
Yeah.
JERRICK tells the officer that the car belongs to his mother. Maybe he just doesn't have concrete evidence that this car belongs to him.
Can you just zoom in a little bit? It's a little hard. Same address? And that's your... This is your mother's car?
Yeah. Toyota Highlander.
What's your...
Well, that sounds convincing enough. It must have been his mom's car after all.
So it's a VTL violation.
Yo, cuz.
All right.
Yo, look at my right tail light is out on this car.
Don't press the brake. If you press the brake, it'll show the light. Your tail light's out.
Look at how he's acting. He's on a phone call while being spoken to by the officer.
Can't press the brake. Let the brake go.
My tail light is up. No, look at it with the tail light on. It's on? Oh, it's off.
Can you just get on the sidewalk?
Yeah.
How you doing, boss? Can you step out of the car?
This is a ticket.
Step out of the car?
This is a ticket, bro.
Now he's being asked to step out of the car. I wonder what happens next. There it is. His attempted escape. Shots were fired. But will the officers be able to keep up with him?
What's this one? What? Just sit on the side.
We can see that the officer was hit by the car and the suspect could care less. Although the police didn't provide extra footage for his arrest, here are extra details about it. Good thing he was caught and put behind bars. In this second video, a Cleveland police officer approached an armed man sitting on the floor at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. The man, identified as 37-year-old Samir FARRAJ, claimed the machete he had was a treasure and not a weapon. The officer instructed FARRAJ to turn around, but instead he decided to run away and attempt escape. What happens next will shock you.
Police officer, so it's a little
What
bit
am I
different.
doing wrong, officer?
We got a call for that.
Am I using it? It's no blood. It's a treasure. You can look at it. It's not a weapon, sir.
So I can look at
It's
it?
not a weapon, sir. It's not a weapon. It's not a weapon, sir. It's not a weapon. It's not a weapon. It's clean.
It's clean, but it scares the...
It's clean. I'm not holding it or anything. I'm cut.
I know.
We are allowed to open carry.
Not in the airport.
I'm not on the airplane, sir.
Not in the airport.
We can see here the man was just chilling on the ground while being questioned.
Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me.
You got another knife on you.
Excuse me.
John, turn around.
Excuse me.
Turn around.
Excuse me. Watch out.
However, he tried to escape and make a scene while people were looking at him.
Watch out. Get on the ground.
On the ground right now.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. I'm being in peace. I'm being in peace.
I came in peace, he said, but why is he trying to escape if he really came in peace?
It's an emergency!
On the ground. On the ground right now.
I have to go to Jerusalem. I'm a prophet, guys.
Get on the ground.
I'm a prophet, people. I'm a prophet, people. Please, I gotta go to Jerusalem.
Sound off.
And now he finally complies and puts his hands up. I guess all it takes is a shot from the taser.
On the ground.
Stop it.
Do not reach for anything.
I don't have no weapons.
Sir, do not reach for anything.
Get them guns down on the
Do
floor.
not reach.
Get them guns.
Do not reach.
Get them guns down on the floor.
Do not reach.
Get them guns down on the floor.
On your face.
I'm gonna get up.
Turn around.
Now he's getting up again. Is he trying to escape for a second time?
Around.
Put them down.
Turn around.
Put them down.
Turn around.
I got my hands behind my back, so put them down.
Turn around.
You turn around. There's an emergency overseas and I need to go there now.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
Listen. Listen. You guys gotta fucking shoot me then. Shoot me, please. Shoot me, please, bro. Tell
Turn
me,
around.
Now he wants to be shot? Can't he just make up his mind?
Overseas, I don't want to go to no trouble. Please, bro. I don't want to cause no trouble, bro.
Drop
I
it.
gotta go overseas, bro. I gotta
go overseas.
please. Do not let them. Let me go with you on that plane, please. I gotta go
not
to the video.
Drop the knife.
Time.
Sir, one more time. Drop the knife.
Kill me.
Drop the knife.
Kill me.
I tried once. It didn't work.
Kill me.
It's not even gonna work.
All that talk just made him taste another shot of the good OL taser.
Stop it.
Drop it. Drop it. Get him.
Did he just fall down that escalator? Is he still alive? Well, he's still alive. But now it's time to put the handcuffs on.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Grab your hand.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
I'm not resisting, he said. Hopefully this will teach him a lesson.
They're trying to change me into a dog. They're trying to change me into a dog. They're trying to change me into a dog.
Screaming won't get him anywhere. He just looks and sounds like a maniac at this point.
I gotta go see it's more serious than we are. Okay? It's more serious than we're jumping.
Just be quiet for a minute, all right? Hush.
Another great job from the officers. Time to put him into custody once and for all.
Don't be scared of me. I'm a prophet, bro. I'm not here to hurt you, bro. You guys make me seem so fearing. I'm not a fearing person, bro. Please, I'm just stressed out, bro. That's it.
love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.